Well, we did a lot of research before we picked a builder to go with, and after meeting with Tim the first time and looking through all these advertising platforms, we found that Tim and Joel, the first meeting that we had, was fantastic. They were really willing to help and get exactly what Kim and I wanted out of the project. No, it was fantastic the way how organised Tim was, and the way they were willing to help and get exactly what Kim and I wanted. It was really good. They were open to suggestions and as well give us a lot of suggestions along the way, which made life very easy and made everyone feel very comfortable. I found it fantastic. The whole team. Dave, that was here a lot, like the foreman on the job, was fantastic to get along with. Every trade that we used were fantastic. Made Kim especially feel comfortable to come and talk to the guys about anything. They were really more than accommodating the whole way through with anything that we come up with along the way. Well, there was no hidden costs jumped up along the way or anything like that. If there was anything that was well and truly discussed in advance, and we always had the option to pay the extra, or Tim would come up with an option that would work well within our budget every time. There was nothing jumped out, which was one of the great comforting things for us, knowing that we weren't going to get hit up along the way with variations and stuff. So that was a really good outcome. Exemplar. They were absolutely fantastic, like in every aspect of the whole build. It was fantastic, but exemplar would be the word I would use.